Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to take you through a full day of eating because right now I'm trying to lose weight. I probably have about 5 pounds that I want to lose, and honestly I haven't weighed myself, but I just know my body, I know how it feels, and those last few pounds can be really tricky. So I'm gonna start eating on the plan I do every time I wanna lose extra weight, kind of fast, but in a healthy way. And last time I did this, I lost 5 pounds in a week. I felt so much less bloated. It just overall kind of just reset my body. So I wanna show you everything I'm eating on that. And since I'm not weighing myself, I don't know my starting weight, but I am gonna take before photos. I'll put it right here for you guys. And then after the 7 days, I'm gonna post my after photo on Instagram. So if you're not following there, go follow at Love Sweat Fitness. If you like these What I Eat in a Day videos, hit the thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Okay, the first thing I do every morning is drink my celery juice. So I've been buying the store-bought celery juice, which is totally fine. It's just like clean and it's easy and convenient. But I've been wanting to make it fresh again because I feel like I can add more to it, like my ginger and lemon, and just get more benefits. So I'm gonna make that up. Look at this color, oh my gosh, it is so intense green. That was the dandelion leaves, cucumber, celery, lemon, ginger. I think that's everything I put in. All of those ingredients are so amazing for like de-bloating, detoxing, just flushing out your body. For me, it really helps like get things moving first thing in the morning. So again, like you can totally just buy plain old celery juice, but I love this just because I get so much more out of it. It makes me feel so good first thing in the morning. After I finish my green juice, I always make my coffee, and this is one thing that has changed my routine quite a bit, especially over the last couple years. But when I'm doing this plan, I do something really specific to make sure that I'm able to lose the weight I want to lose. Would it be a what I eat in a day if I didn't spill everything everywhere? Nope. There goes my coffee. Note to self, use a bigger cup. Now that the kitchen's clean, I can actually enjoy my coffee. So one of the biggest changes that I've made to my coffee routine has been ditching the collagen. So I've used collagen for years and years. If you've been here a while, you know that. But now I get my collagen in my natural beauty supplement that I take, my skincare and hair one, and I don't need it in my coffee anymore because it has enough in that. But the other thing, especially when I'm trying to lose weight, is I add my protein to my coffee every single morning. So in the past, like I would do this once in a while, but I wasn't like consistently adding protein to my coffee. I do about a half a scoop, which is 10 grams of protein. And protein is so, so important, especially if you're trying to lose weight. Most of us don't get enough of it throughout our entire day. I always say try to get at least 20 grams 5 times a day to aim for like 100 grams. And obviously like a protein powder makes it easy because you know exactly how much you're getting when you're scooping it. But if you want to lose weight, you want to build muscle, like to be able to lose weight, you need to add more protein into your diet to make sure you're nourishing your body enough. And that's one of the biggest mistakes I used to make all the time. I used to do a version of intermittent fasting that I kind of just created on my own, where I would fast for sure 12 hours. So from like 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. I wouldn't eat anything. And then I'd usually wait like until 14 or 16 hours to have like my first big meal. But I've just noticed I just feel better lately when I get more fuel in earlier in the day. And also it's really important, especially if you're trying to lose weight, to try to get your carbs in first thing in the morning and like have the most carbs earlier in the day and the most carbs before and after your workouts, and then taper them off as the day goes on. So I usually will try to do that now. So I'll still not eat from 7 to 7. I'll have my coffee, which now has protein, so that really technically breaks the fast. And then around like 9 or 10, I'll do my oats. So this is an amazing little mixture that's really good anti-inflammatory. It has turmeric and it has coconut milk, like really good healthy coconut fat, and then some apricots in there too. But I usually do this with chia seeds. I was just out of chia seeds, so you can do it either way, honestly, but the oats actually make it more filling, which is good, especially because I'm gonna do a really hard workout today. I'm gonna wake up the baby for his lunch, but I'm gonna eat mine first really fast. So I'm just gonna make one of my favorite salads. It's super easy, it's simple. I love this one too because I can throw it together and either have it like meal prepped or just throw it together at home, but it takes like 2 minutes and you get everything you need. I have all my stuff together. I'm gonna make my hanger mix for a little snack. So this is like a bunch of different nuts and things, but they're all ones that are really good in high like omega-3 fatty acids that have a ton of benefits, again, to fuel your body and curb cravings. I think for me is the biggest thing. So especially when I'm like making any big shifts into what I'm eating or trying to be like a little bit more regimented and more mindful about the things I'm putting in my body, I feel like you get those cravings even more during that time. So these, especially some of the fats that are in here, are gonna really help me to be able to sustain, to not get those cravings, and to have just something kind of to snack on so that I don't feel like I need to grab like chips or crackers or something else. I love my little hedgehog because it's like a perfect portion. I can take this to my desk and snack on it because if I take the whole jar, I'll just keep mindlessly eating it. And although it's super healthy and it can help curb cravings, those healthy fats do add up really fast. So like too much of anything, even a healthy thing, is not a good thing. And then the dried fruit is amazing. It adds so much sweetness. And again, with that sweet tooth, it really helps hit the cravings. But dried fruit is also higher concentration of sugar. So you just don't want to eat too much of it. Otherwise you're going to kind of defeat the point. So I always make sure I like have a good portion of it that'll really like make me feel full and be a good snack without overdoing it. I just finished workout, so I'm gonna get a little carbohydrates. This is like a very overly ripe banana, but I'm just gonna eat it. I like bananas that are a little more like green personally, but whatever. And then I'm gonna make my little Bernilla, Ryan named this one, drink. So I normally do my protein in water, but I'm gonna do it in almond milk because I still wanna make sure I'm getting like plenty of healthy fats and everything. So do almond milk, vanilla protein, and a little wing woman. Gosh. I can see you back there. I just spilled the protein everywhere. I'm gonna blame it on how hard my workout was. My arms are like jello. I mean, I completely missed the cup. Second time today. I think I have the drops. Do you ever get that? Like when you're PMSing, like you just drop everything? It's not good. But the Bernilla, it's like berry pomegranate. Think of like strawberry milk. It's kind of like that, with like berry milk, but protein packed, and then all your immunity stuff. And this is one of the things that's been helping my hair grow so much because of the vitamin D in the wing woman. Really helps like your follicles and stuff. So it's working. One of the best things about spring is just that the sun goes down so much later, and I love it so much. But then I forget to like prep dinner and everything. So Ryan just reminded me, I'm gonna make my detox soup. So I'm gonna get that nice and prepped. It's still really cold outside, even though it's like finally getting sunny, which is nice. But put it all in the Instant Pot, get everything like chopped up early because then we start my baby's night routine and everything. So that way when we're done, we can just eat and sit down and not have to worry about still making dinner. This is the bone broth I'm gonna use. I love this one when I make my detox soup and my no bloat broccoli soups because it has the turmeric ginger in it as well. So you get all the bone broth benefits and the collagen and everything. But then those are like good anti-inflammatory ones. I realized I had a ton of broccoli in the fridge, so I decided to make my by bloat broccoli soup instead tonight. So the base is the same in most of my soups as far as like the fundamental ingredients, and then you switch different things up. And the By Bloat broccoli soup one is one that you actually blend like a puree, like a broccoli soup. So it just sounded yummier. Alright you guys, so that's everything I eat in a day when I'm doing this plan. It's my 7-day slim down meal plan, so I'll link down below if you want to try it out. Honestly, like I said in the beginning, is one of the easiest ones to follow. The food's so delicious, and I always see such good results whenever I do this, like really quickly, but in like a healthy way. So I'm just gonna finish off the night with a little peanut butter plant protein. If you liked seeing this what I eat in a day, make sure you hit that thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, again, hit the subscribe button. I have new videos for you guys every single Sunday. Love you so much. Bye.